streets social media imo manoswera nchiona kuti nyaya dziri kufamba sei tiri pachannel yenyu channel yamunofarira paSaint TV Duma nevakuru vanorova mangoma hanzi imwe mbeu.
Yeah man, that's good bro.
T-Gonz.
Boy,
hey, how's it bro?
I'm doing good bro. Shout out to everyone, greetings to everyone who can see this. We love you, Murisai.
Better. Ameno chimbo vaudza kuti anonzi T-Gonz ndiani?
Well, since this is the first question that I ever got asked in Chitanga Kuimba music, journalistically, I would just have to repeat. T-Gonz Mwembeo is a Zim hip hop artist / musician / rapper / entertainer. I was born in the dusty streets of Mufako Sebaba.
Okay.
1993 on 13th of April.
Okay.
I grew up as a musician. I grew up as a soccer player, and it was just that serious. But professionally, I started to record around 2008.
Okay.
Spencer Masango. Since then, I've been recording. 2015 was my breakthrough year.
Okay.
That's when I dropped Genu. 2016 Hip Hop Level Ghetto Volume 1, the album with 21 tracks.
Yes.
Ondo Panga Banana, Urombo na Sinti, and the Maga Oma na Raskeleb, and a whole lot of other guys like in the Urban Blues fraternity. So yeah, that's it. T-Gonz Mwembeo. Right now I'm still here, you know me, outstanding no musician. Yeah man. I wouldn't like to call them Mangoma.
Alright.
As Mangoma, it's just music. I believe with Mangoma. Kangorika pattern zim dance.
Alright. So music
it's just it's just music.
Alright.
Yeah.
So ndoda ngobvunza mubvunzo wekuti ndeipi song iwo T-Gonz waita hundreds and hundreds of songs.
Yes.
Ndepi yaunoti iyi ndikaiterera inondisvitsa parefu endombovasemplira mbichani ndobva waita shout out ako nekuvaudza kuti vanokubata sei?
Well, to be honest with you, atitotangire pa song, tototangira kana pa ma lines, the hip hop kana tuti ma lines, kana kuti lyric chaire. In everything that I've done ever since I started, up to today, I make sure kuti chinhu chocho ndazotochita kwesipandiri chaita the best. So when it comes to music, I believe music yangu yese their best songs, just depending kuti on who kana nino wacho. I listen to my different music depending with situation nenenge ichiitika wise.
Alright.
But aizinyaya kuti sterek kwana, I'm just a musician, and freestyle wise, you know, I do music. Freestyle is my thing. That was like the first thing, essence of T-Gonz. So vaiti T-Gonz vachitoda kundifirita vachitomaka zvavo ini ndichishirida nawo zvakutyisa kunge chirongwa chatirida madirida nawo ndane plan kunge bhirida mbiri yacho yandaita yakufadza hama nawo ndiri muchiki ndakutonzi zadza dama.